Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology Bhayandar East. Department Humanity and Science course, that is subject name Basic Mathematics, course code 22103, myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture totally depend on the chapter number 3 matrices with unit 1. Different size of identity matrix we have to study in this chapter and which is very useful. 2 by 2 identity matrix is defined in the square matrix. 2 rows and 2 columns are there. With the diagonal entries should be 1. That is A111, A120, A210 and A22 is 1. 3 by 3 identity matrix. Obviously 3 rows and 3 columns are there. Diagonal entries should be 1. That means A111, A120, A130, A210, A221, A230, A310, A320 and A33 is 1. In identity matrix for 2 by 2, 1001 is applicable. For identity matrix for the 3 by 3, 100, 010 and 001 is applicable. Now let us take very basic topic, that is multiplication of matrix 1 with matrix 2 is possible. In previous lecture we studied about the addition of two matrices of the same order, addition of the and the subtraction of the two matrices of the same order matrix and scalar multiplication for the different order of the matrices. Now multiplication totally based on the order of first matrix and second matrix must be same. So we have to check the it is possible or not. So multiplication of two matrices of order 2 by 2. Multiplication of two matrices of order 2 by 2. First, if A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, B is equal to B11, B12, B21, B22, then A into B is defined by step number 1. We have to fix first row should multiply with first column. First row with first column A11, A12 multiply B11, B21. Now add first row with the second column. Same trick. First row now second column. That is A11, A12 into B12, B22. Then step number 2 is important. We have to multiply A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. Middle gap is there. A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22. So now first row of A into B is completed. Step number 3. Second row with first column and add the second row with second column. Means what? Second row we have to choose of the first matrix A21 and A22 multiply with column number 1 and second row second column of the B matrix. So step is derived A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21. Next A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. So combination of step number 2 and 4 look like this way. A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22. A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21. A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. This is the mathematical procedure to understand the multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix. So we are more easy by this method and example. Let us try. Multiplication of two matrices have the same order. It is important. First row is A11, A12, A21, A22. Now second matrix is B11, B12, B21, B22. 2 rows and 2 columns. Our main target is first row, first column, first row, second column. Next, second row, first column, second row, second column. So, first try for the first row and first column. A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. So we should write here. Next, first row and second column, A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22. Next, second row, first row is complete for the two matrix multiplication A into B. Now second row, first column, A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21. Now second row, second column, A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. That is first row, first column, first row, second column allotted in the first row, second row, first column, second row, second column allotted in the second format. So we take the example better to understand the concept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These two are different matrices. 1, 2, first row, 3, 4, second row. So 1, 2 multiply with the column number 1. 1 into 5, 2 into 7. Next, first row, second column, 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8. First row is completed to matrix multiplication of A into B. Now, we have to focus on the second row, multiply with the first column, 3 into 5 plus 4 into 7. Second row, second column, 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8. So, we define 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7, 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8, 3 into 5 plus 4 into 7, 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8. So, 1 into 5, 5, 2 into 7, 14, 1 into 6, 6, 2 into 8, 16, 3 into 5, 15, 4 into 7, 28, and 6 into 3, 18, plus 4 into 8, 32. So, 5 plus 14, 19, 6 plus 16, 22, 15 plus 28, 43, and 18 plus 32 is 15. We derive the final answer of the 2 by 2 matrices in the form of matrices also. So always remind that first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, and second row, second column. So if you not justify by the A11, A12, you have to use alphabet tricks also. AB is defined by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. First row, first column, AE into BG plus BG. AF plus BH. CE plus DG and CF plus DH. So we occupy these by this method of alphabets also. So it is more suitable to understand the basic concept. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, first column, no, second row, first column, and second row, second column. So we have to define this way. We take the example based on that. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B 5, 7, 2, 6. First row, first column, first row, second column. So I identify this way. 1, 2, 5, 2, column number 1. 1, 2, 7, 6. 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2. 1 into 7 plus 2 into 6. 1 into 5 is 5 plus 4. 1 into 7, 7. 2 into 6 is 12. Similarly, now second row, first column, second row, second column. So 3, 4, first column 5, 2 and 3, 4, column number 2, 7, 6. So 3 into 5, 15, 4 into 2, 18. Next, 3 into 7, 21, 4 into 6, it is 24. So 15 plus 8, because 5 3s are 15, 4 into 2, 8, and 7 into 3, 21, 4 into 6, 24. So we write the first row of our A into B matrix is 5 plus 4, 7 plus 12. Next, 5 plus 8, 21 plus 24. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 12, 19. 15 plus 8, 23. 21 plus 24, 45. So we derive the final answer. 5 plus 4, it is 9, 19, 23 and 45. Always remind that in a matrix multiplication, first row, first column, next first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. Obviously, we have to remind this way. Now we have to take then another examples to try and better practice. Minus 2, 1, 0, 4, 6, 5, minus 7, 1. Minus 2, 1 is the first row, 0, 4 is the second row, 6 minus 7, first column, 5, 1, it is the second column. Minus 2 into 6, 1 into minus 7, plus is middle there. Minus 2 into 5, plus 1 into 1. Now we complete the first row of the two matrices multiplication. Now our focus is second row. Second row, first column, 0 into 6 plus 4 into minus 7. Now second row, second column, 0 into 5 plus 4 into 1. Minus 2 plus 6, it is the minus 12, and minus 7. Minus 7 minus 12 is minus 19. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10, plus 1 into 1, 1, minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9, 6 into 0, 0, 4 into minus 7, minus 28, 5 into 0 is 0, 4 into 1 is only 4. So always remember, 0 into anything, answer will be 0, so we have to only consider the remaining terms addition or subtraction. It is possible. Okay, one more example. 1 0 2 1 3 0 0 1. First row, first column, 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. Next, first row, last column, 1 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 1. We finish the first row. Now second row, 2 into 3, that is second row, first column, 2 into 3 plus 1 into 0. Next, second row, second column, 2 into 0, 1 into 1. 1 into 3, 3, 3 plus 0, 3 remains same. 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. Answer is 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 into 3 is obviously 6 plus 1 into 0 is 0. So that's why final answer is 6. And 2 into 0, 0. And 1 into 1, 1. So we derive the final answer is 3, 0, 6, 1. One more example depend on that. AB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First row, first column, 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7. First row, second column, 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8. Now second row, first column, 3 into 5 plus 4 into 7. Second row, second column, 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8. 5 into 1, 5, 7 into 2, 14, 14 plus 5, 19. 1 into 6, 6 plus 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 5 into 3, 15. 4 into 7, 28. 28 plus 15, 43. 3 into 6, 18 plus 8 into 4, 24. 24 plus 18, it is obviously 50. So we take the example in the pattern of different method. How? Let us try. Find the product of the matrices at the right. 2 0 minus 1 3 5 7 minus 2 minus 3. First row, first column, 2 into 5, 0 into minus 2. Answer is 5 into 2, 10. Now they given the second row and the first column. Minus 1 into 5, 3 into minus 2. So minus 1 into 5, 3 into minus 2, minus 11. Now first row, last column, 7 into 2 and 0 into minus 3, 14. And the last row and last column, minus 1 into 7 and 3 into minus 3. So we derive the final answer 10, minus 11, 14 and 16. First row, first column, 10, 14. And second row, second column,
here.